Hello, I'm Dr. Jan Ehrenwerth, Professor Emeritus of Anesthesiology at the Yale University School of Medicine. Together with Dr. James Eisencraft, Professor of Anesthesiology at the Mount Sinai School of Medicine, and Dr. James Berry, Professor of Anesthesiology at the University of Texas Southwestern School of Medicine, we're excited to announce the publication of the third edition of Anesthesia Equipment, Principles and Applications. This book will be of interest to all anesthesia care providers, technicians, trainees, and biomedical engineers who use or maintain anesthesia equipment. As in the previous two editions, our goal is to open the black box of anesthesia-related hardware that to many is a source of confusion and mystery. Understanding the workings of the contemporary anesthesia workstations and monitoring devices has become increasingly less intuitive, as many of the basic functions are now hidden or otherwise difficult to recognize. Whenever possible, we go back to the fundamental principles of physics and engineering to explain in simple terms how equipment works, as well as its applications and limitations. We begin with medical gases and anesthesia workstations, and follow with a discussion of physiologic monitoring devices, electrical and fire safety, and other relevant topics such as infusion pumps, ergonomics, hazards of the anesthesia delivery system, risk management, engineering standards, and high-altitude considerations. Each of the book's 27 chapters has undergone extensive review to ensure the information is up to date. Our overriding consideration was to produce a comprehensive and clinically relevant textbook that makes complex subjects easy to understand. Among the updates and additions are the new anesthesia machines and ventilators, the Oxygen Reserve Index, and cybersecurity. The third edition is intentionally more compact than the second, but is still a comprehensive guide to anesthesia equipment and technology. Numerous full-color figures and diagrams simplify each topic for the reader. In fact, it is the only current anesthesia equipment textbook with full-color illustrations. This book will serve as an excellent reference for any anesthesia provider or student, as well as an outstanding resource for those preparing for certification exams. We hope that you will find the new edition of Anesthesia Equipment Principles and Applications informative, educational, and easy to access in print and electronically. Thank you for the opportunity to present our decades of experience in this field. We find it endlessly fascinating and hope you will too.